Hey YouTube, this is just a bit of a quick video today to show you guys how to install the KDE Plasma desktop environments in KDE Linux. So just say you've booted up GNOME or installed GNOME like I have, and you're not too familiar or a big fan of it, you can install the Plasma desktop environment. Not just the Plasma desktop environment, but the KDE variant of it. So a bit more customized, just the way that KDE Linux likes to look on any DE. So starting off, you do need to open up a terminal. In fact, I probably should put in a quick disclaimer. I don't actually recommend doing this unless you've backed up all your stuff first, because there can be some compatibility issues sometimes. The way that I would normally recommend is actually installing the desktop environment with the actual Linux distribution from scratch. But having said that, I'll start off. So all you do need to do is type in the following. Oh, in fact, I've got it all there already. Sudo apt install KDE desktop KDE. Oh, and I've just ruined all that. Let's do that again. And KDE. I'll put this in the link description below if I certainly remember it there. But let's punch that up just to show you what I've done. So sudo apt install KDE desktop KDE. So this is the KDE Plasma desktop environment with a bit of a KDE Linux desktop spin on it, which is absolutely what you want. You don't want the stock version of KDE Plasma. Well, maybe you do, but you want it to look like KDE and just have all the look and feel there for sure. Now, once that's installed, well, halfway through the installation, it will ask you to select your desktop display manager. So that one there is called the SDD M1. You can't really see it there, but yeah, it will give you some options for, do you want the GDM3, the GNOME desktop manager, or do you want the KDE Linux version? It won't even tell you which one is which, but it's very much the SDDM version for the Plasma desktop environment. You'll see it, it will ask you, so there you go. Once you're done, you will actually need to log out. Click the gear icon, it might be on the bottom or on the top, asking you to change your desktop environment. I can't do this without ruining the recording of the video, but basically you log out, or even restart if you like. At the login boot up screen, choose to select the KDE Plasma desktop environment. You'll see it right there. Sometimes it hides a bit, but that's important to mention as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I do hope to see all of you guys there in the next one.